Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will review a SmartThings Wi-Fi. Look at this. Our Wi-Fi that we will review today is a mesh Wi-Fi, okay? And this is made by SmartThings, okay? Samsung SmartThings. If you look in the box, this is fresh from Canada. Look at that. And it's powered by Flume, okay? Flume is the one who made the software, okay? And this is the device Samsung made the hardware. Look at that, so pretty. Okay, Samsung bought this company called Flume so that they can run the Wi-Fi with their software. Yes, and the one we bought today, guys, is the mesh Wi-Fi of Samsung SmartThings with 3 fads. Okay, there's 3 fads that you can put all around your house. Now, I will show you the setup in a while, but to tell you why I bought the mesh Wi-Fi, because there's very weak Wi-Fi signal with only one routers. That's why I bought the mesh Wi-Fi, so we can have Wi-Fi everywhere in the house. Okay, let's try this out now and put install in the house. Okay, I turn on the app, and then the app says you have to check the blinking lights. Oh, is it blinking? Is it blinking? Show me blinking. Yes, it's blinking, guys. Look at that. And then I try to connect it with the SmartThings app. When you have the SmartThings app, you have to have a Flume account, and then you have to sign using Samsung SmartThings. Okay, I have a Samsung SmartThings. That's what you have to choose when you try to install. Now, when you do step by step, when you use the Samsung apps, it will show you step by step on what you need to do. Just like this one, after the blinking lights, it's trying to connect the Wi-Fi's. Okay? Now first, you have to connect one Wi-Fi mesh pads first. Then after that, you can connect the other pads, and very easy to connect all of them already once you have one of them started right away. Okay, now if you see this, it's still adding the Wi-Fi network. Okay, I put the internet. Our internet is we have two internet, PLDT and Sky. Today we connect the PLDT only. Okay, we only connect the PLDT to your mesh Wi-Fi, and then it's going to start to connect to your internet provider. Okay, and then once that's done, you connect the rest of your Wi-Fi devices. All of this, when I try to install in one device, it take me maybe 15 minutes only, or maybe 20 minutes only. But for you, it depends on how only you can put this very fast in your account, and how you follow instruction. Because guys, I tell you the truth, I did not follow instruction. So the real time I install maybe only 1 hours, because I did not follow instruction, guys. Okay, but I think if you follow, it's very easy, because I did not read, and then I just tried to put everything right away. Now, once it's finished, it will say your phone is connecting to your new SmartThings Wi-Fi. And then when you look at the number on top there, there's the 44%, then later it's going to be 45%, and then later it's going to be 46%. And then when it's 100%, guys, it means it is finished. Okay, so that is how to walk and install. And then you will know, guys, when your install already is finished and done, that will show you the light is color green, steady green already. Okay, then after all of that, you can start connecting all of your Samsung device, because if you have Samsung motion sensor, if you have other Samsung device, yes, you can connect them all, guys, so that they will start working for you. Okay, now where did I install the mesh Wi-Fi, guys? Okay, because the main routers of our internet is in the utilities area, I put it there. But there's so many walls, guys, so I put the other one in the second floor. So I put hardwire from utility room to second floor, and then that's the first mesh Wi-Fi. And then the rest, I don't have to put wire. I just put it in one room downstairs, then the other one somewhere else outstairs. So it's all connected without wire, guys. Wow, look at that, very convenient. So if you're thinking of buying mesh Wi-Fi because you don't want to put cable, this is best, okay? SmartThings, I bought SmartThings, guys, because I have other Samsung device I connect like aircon and the TV and many other things. So it's very nice to have this. Thank you for watching.